Alright, so I'm gonna grab the Morphe contour kit in the shade 8H. See if I can open it. Oh my god, how am I gonna hold this? Okay. And I'm going to use my Morphe R10, and I'm gonna go in with the color Fabulous, which is this one right here. No, I'm gonna go with Blogger. This one. Ow, ow. I'm gonna do this and cut out my cheek. Ow, ow, ow. Next I'm gonna use my e.l.f. one, the eye crease brush for the nose as a contour. Oh my god, this is hard. Okay, nose contour is done, I believe, but it's not blended, so I'm gonna have to blend it out with something else because, ow, I'm gonna use this Morphe E47 to try to blend that out so it looks so harsh. I said try to. I wonder if I was gonna succeed at it. Now that that's set, I'm gonna dust off this powder that I have under my eye right now with the Morphe E41. And then I'll bake in a little bit after I do my brows. No, I'll bake first, then I'll do my brows. So the powder won't fall on them. This, if I could, let's see. Oh god, it's gonna be hard. Oh, probably. And I'm gonna use the CoverGirl True Blend Mineral in the shade Light, just for baking. It has a little bit of tint to it, so that's why I use this one. It's not really light either. It says it's light, but it's really not. It's like a little brown tint to it. That's as good as it's gonna get, because this is really hard doing with these nails. See, the nails already have foundation on them. Next step is going to be, oh god, how am I gonna prime my eyes? And I'm gonna use my Anastasia brush. I'm gonna use my Anastasia, my Dip Brow Pomade in the shade Ebony. God, this is hard. It hurts my nails. It hurts the nails. Oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god. Ow! Alright, the eyebrows are probably not gonna be even because this really does hurt. God. So far so good. This one came out good. Let's see if I can do the other one. Alright, so that's the best I'm gonna do with this one because I can't even wipe off the. Yeah, and the other one's a little bit too thick, but I'll try to make it look the same. Oh god. I'll fix it with concealer right now. It's away. Nope, it didn't close. Now it's closed. Good enough. Alright, I'm gonna go in with my R37 with the Grand Glam. I'm gonna go in with a little bit of Frenchie. Oops, I already dug into this one with the nail. I dug into that one with the nail already. Oh, I forgot to prime my eyes. Hang on. Alright, I'm gonna prime my eyes with this Y11 from Morphe with my Morphe eyelid primer. I can't find my small brush to blend. Well, they did a good job. Oh wow, they did a really good job. Alright, so I'm gonna grab the Grand Glam from Morphe. I'm gonna use my R37 on the color Frenchie. And I'm just gonna put that on the crease. Windshield wiper motion. And with the pencil brush E36 from Morphe, I'm gonna go in with the color Brew to kind of create the crease, but not really. So I'm gonna blend it out right now. Okay, and I'm gonna buff that out. Oh, it's really dark. Whoopsies. Go in with Frenchie and fix this real quick. Well, there's no fixing it because it's already done. It's really too dark. Oh well. Oh my god, the palette almost fell. Alright, now I'm gonna grab my Morphe M433 and I'm gonna go in with the color Glazed on the brow bone to make it pop. Oh, that's pigmented. Now I'm gonna grab my Wet n Wild concealer to cut the crease. Oh, if I could open this bad boy. And this is my trick for the cut creases. That's all I do. Look up. And then I'll tell you where your crease is at. And to do the crease, I'm gonna use the Morphe M421 to cut out the crease. Or pretty much just follow where it's at. Alright, and with this brush, the Morphe M433, I'm gonna go in and grab the color Crystal. I'm gonna put it where I put the cut crease. Wow, it's really pigmented. I'm gonna blend that out right now. So just let me put this on. We'll try to blend it out with these hooves that I have. And now with my Morphe R37, I'm gonna go in again with the color Brew right here and just buff that out. Okay, here we go. And just lightly blend it in. Lightly, like really light. And with the same M433, I'm gonna go in with Glaze as an inner highlight. This palette is really, whoa, that's so pretty. I could probably use it as a highlighter too. That's so pretty. Alright, and with the Morphe R36, I'm gonna go under the eye. And a little bit of Brew with the same brush. Now for the eyeliner, I'm gonna go in with the Wet n Wild Mega Liner. Oh my god, hopefully I could nail this with these nails. So far, no, because it's freaking hard to take this off. So far, good. Came out good. Try the other one. I'm scared of this one because this one always messes up. Oh god, it's already failing. Oh no. Kinda nailed it. Alright, I'm gonna dust the baking off. Then I'm gonna use some highlighter. Oh no. See if we can take that off. There you go. Alright, I'm going to use my Morphe R36 for a highlighter. And I'm going to go in with the same palette, the 8H. If I could open it again. Oh god, this one hurt. Ow, ow! Yay, got it. Whoopsies. Stuck it in my nose in the blogger. Alright, so I feel like I'm going to do a little bit of... I'm going to do Venus, which is this one right here. Right there. Ooh, look at that highlighter though. Woo! I'm gonna grab my Morphe E17 for the highlight on the nose. Down here. Down there. For lips, I'm gonna go in with this Maybelline Super Matte Ink in the color 15, which is Lover. Alright, and the last thing that I need to do is lashes, and that's going to be a pass because I don't know if I could do it with these hooves. And for lashes, I'm going to use my favorite ones in Kiss, which are Camisole. Okay, how am I going to open this now? Ow. Got him. Got it. Oh my god, this is hard. Oops. Oh my god, how am I going to do this? Okay. Oh my god, I can't do this. Nope. Fail. Nope. There's one. Okay, a bajillion hours later, and the lashes are on. Alright, this challenge was really hard. My fingers are sore, they're throbbing, and it's really hard to do anything with these hooves. I give it up for you girls. I do give it up for you. Oh god. Now the pain of taking these off. And if you guys like this video, make sure you give it a big like, share this video, and continue being a beauty glam sister. I appreciate every single last one of you beauty glam sisters. Don't forget, I post videos every Wednesday for you guys, okay? Alright, till next time beauty glam sisters. Bye.